Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to morph some shapes in Photoshop. Step 1. Create a new copy of the layer. Press Ctrl J. Right click, convert to smart object, double click, rename blur. Go to the filters, blur, and select Gaussian blur. I'm gonna go with 130, click OK, and I'm gonna select the rectangle from here, and I'm gonna create a rectangle, and just drag one of these little dots, and it's gonna make it rounded. Place it to the center, and now drag the rectangle under the blur layer. Press and hold Alt and click between the rectangle and the blur layer. So the arrow is going to transform like it's pointing downwards, and click. Now we made a clipping mask. You can also click on the rectangle and position whatever you want on the image. And you can see that only the rectangle area is going to be blurry. Now we're going to go and double click here on the rectangle layer. We're going to add some layer styles. We're going to go to the stroke. And we're going to change the position from center to inside. I'm going to increase the size somewhere around 10, 11. And I'm going to change the color to white. And I'm going to decrease the opacity to become a little bit more transparent. And the opacity with somewhere around 30. And the size somewhere around 13. Now let's select the color overlay. We're going to change the color to white. And decrease the opacity. I'm going to go with 4. Click on gradient overlay. Let me check the opacity. So this is the max. I'm going to change it to screen. I'm going to change the angle, something like this. Might decrease the opacity a little bit more. Click on the drop shadow. I'm going to decrease the distance to 0, and the size is going to be something like this. You also get the opacity. You can increase that. And this is how you do glass morphing in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. And also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.